Hey, Addie. Just wanted to let you know that just very thankful for you and just who you are. Your character that you've shown these last 4 years is incredible. You have a servant's heart. You are the ultimate team member where you really do value everybody on the team above yourself, and I'm just so thankful for that. Um, yeah, so impressed with your level of character that you've shown on a daily basis. Your dedication to our team has been incredible. During the summers, I could always trust to know that you are at the weight room, driving all the way in, early mornings. You would be there, and there's other teammates that struggled, but that was not you. You were dedicated. You were here. You were on time. You were ready to work, and you gave it your best effort. And I absolutely love that. Have been kind of one of our key foundations of the people that were here day in, day out, and I thank you for that. I thank you for the extra time that you put in. I know there's many of those days that you would come in beforehand and shoot or come afterwards and shoot, and I thank you for that extra dedication to the game of basketball. You always showed a love for that, and you also put extra work in that, and I appreciate those things that you put in there. All the other team functions, your service, if it's the blood drives or the jam basketball, you were exceptional with that. One of the things that I love about jam basketball is it was a privilege to be able to do that with you. You have a very huge gift of working with kids. Yeah, you did an incredible job with them. You brought joy and excitement for the game and just a love and passion for just those girls themselves. You did a great job building relationships with them and making them feel special. That's huge. And a lot of those things that the impact on their lives, you may not see the fruit of that until a lot of years later, just to see those girls grow and be successful. But I know that the character that you showed and the love that you showed them will continue on. And that's one of the things that I love about you is that you think way outside of yourself and you're dedicated to others. And I'm thankful for that. One of the things I also am thankful for is just your willingness. These last 4 years, there's several times that I know I pushed you or asked you to do some things outside of your comfort zone. Those times that you trusted me, it was fun to watch. I know if it's handling a ball or trying a new move, or I know this last year trying to get you to shoot threes and watching you in practice, being able to do some of those things, and I was still waiting for a game for you to pull a three and shoot that. There's a lot of people that on our basketball team know that you can do that, and I was waiting for you to be able to show a lot of other people that you could do it as well. But I appreciate your willingness to allow me to coach you. You're very coachable. You are with a great attitude. Even in those times that were hard, that I was stretching you, I always felt like you maintained that positive attitude, and that says a lot about you. I will miss you, not just on the basketball court, but in our school. I loved just having you in class and just walking through the hallways. Your positive attitude was just, it really did impact me on a daily basis. And so I will really, really miss that. But I am excited for you as you go off to Hayes. I'm excited to cheer you on as you compete in track there. I know you will do great things there because of the character that you've shown these last 4 years. We will miss you. We are thankful for you, and we love you a lot, and just thankful for the 4 years of dedication. We love you, Addie.